Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Home Minister Amit Shah addresses rally in Garo Badha in West Garo Hills. BJP is not against any religion or minorities, says BJP National Executive Member. Preparations in full swing for free and fair election in Meghalaya. And common university entrance test may implement in Meghalaya, says Congress. The news in detail. In the Meghalaya Assembly election, hosts of star campaigners and senior leaders of different political parties are addressing public meetings and rallies. Senior BJP leader and Union Home Minister Amit Shah addressed a public meeting in Garo Badha in West Garo Hills. Shah reiterated that BJP is committed to giving corruption-free and transparent governance in Meghalaya. He said Meghalaya is in bad condition due to misrule and corruption of the NPP government. Shah said if voted to power, BJP will institute an investigation of all corruption cases by a commission headed by a retired judge of the Supreme Court. The BJP leader alleged that both Conrad K. Sangma and Mukul Sangma have failed to fulfill the expectations of the people of Meghalaya. The Union Minister said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has established peace and tranquility in the northeast, executing successful dialogue with militant and extremist groups.
मोदी जी की भेजी हुई सुविधाएं आप तक पहुंचती नहीं है। एक बार सरकार बदल दो, सारी की सारी सुविधाएं आप लोगों तक पहुंच जाएगी। मित्रों,
In their attempt to make inroads into poll-bound Meghalaya, the BJP finds itself in a quandary with the anti-Christian tag associated to it. BJP National Executive Member and legislator from Pinthor Umkhra constituency, A.L. Hek, informed that the party leaders, including him and National General Secretary Tarun Chuk and in charge M. Chuba Au, met the Archbishop of Shillong and maintained that BJP is not against any religion or minorities as it is purely a political party.
We went and met the Archbishop of Shillong. And also not only that, we had dinner together in the house of Archbishop and inviting Archbishop that BJP is not against any religions.
The CEO of Election Commission F.R. Kharkongol, while sharing the election preparedness for the upcoming assembly election in the state, said that after the filing of nomination, there are a total of 375 candidates, in which 339 are males and 36 female candidates. He also said that this election is different from the previous elections because there are home votes for senior citizens and people with disability.
We have about 399 critical polling stations and about 700 plus vulnerable locations. But of course, this is a dynamic scenario. It's a dynamic assessment because as the polls are drawing to the closer to the date of the polls, the situation might change or it might evolve.
Ahead of the forthcoming 2023 polls slated to be held on February 27 in the state, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prasoon Tinsong, on Thursday claimed that the fragrance, air and wind of change is blowing to NPP party for the very valid reason that the people of the state realize. Tinsong said that this in the NPP campaign meeting which was held yesterday at Pathar Khma and campaigning for the NPP candidate of Jirang constituency, Sosthenos Sotun.
Boundary issue. Ngila shim ya kanil, ngila ya keren ya kanil, ngila sign lo ikay mo yu, ngila ikat bangin ang le kumta, keno obriyo, badaki hajar square kilometer, ukanrat uprestun udi ya kami kalaya sasam. Dengan itu ia kini lagi kawai ke pelong ia kipat ba jom berjalan. Bangin yo ia kajin saya.
Senior Meghalaya Congress leader and candidate for Millennium Assembly constituency, Ronnie V. Lingdor, expressed apprehension that Common University Entrance Test (CUET) will be implemented in the new academic session, alleging that there is an attempt to do away with reservation in the education sector through this backdoor policy with the implementation of CUET. Lingdor said, to get admission into a college, one has to undergo CUET tests, and if a student fails in the test, the future will be blank.
Seats outside the state. How many parents will be able to send their children to study outside the state? Second, if they fail, will they be able to still continue with their studies? I think, common man understanding, if you fail an entrance test, you don't get admission. Okay. What we fear the most is this is a backdoor policy to do away with reservation quota for the tribal students.
Another chance for all the 5 candidates of 2 Juai constituency to debate in the common platform, which was staged by the Dorbar Shnong Timpang Yang Mausiang in collaboration with Timpang Club Juai, was held yesterday. This is the first time that the Dorbar Shnong decided to hold this kind of event for the candidates for the upcoming election. The platform was participated by all the 5 candidates of Juai constituency, which decided who will speak first through lottery numbers. They were allowed to express the ideas, objective, reason and future plans for 30 minutes each, and with 5 minutes concluding speech to encounter what the other candidate has to say. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 20.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature 10.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 61%, while in the evening it was 87%. Forecast: weather is likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Home Minister Amit Shah addresses rally in Garo Badha in West Garo Hills. BJP is not against any religion or minorities, says BJP National Executive Member. Preparations in full swing for free and fair election in Meghalaya. And Common University entrance test may implement in Meghalaya, says Congress. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow with new updates. Till then, it's good night.